In an incubator I was born, on a farm some distant ago morn. I was allowed to go home and free range roam just a while ago. Then this so-and-so came and did my feathers pluck and thrust me in this plastic tray and said, "You're going away today." I lay there on the supermarket shelf, feeling very, very sorry for myself, when along came a face amidst the heaving throng. "That's a tasty bird," I heard. So I travelled to my new home. Inside a fridge is little space to roam. But I know when to the fiery incubator I return, I shall bring joy, remembering the day of the birth of a boy.
Yes, it's Christmas.